Good morning from Malabar Beach. Behind me is Arabian Sea, and backside is war going on. America, Israel, Iran, everything. They're fighting like hell, but somehow we are safe in India. Love you, India. So today's journey will be towards Bangalore, and that kilometer distance will be approx some 400 kilometer, approx 410 something like that. So stay tuned, be in the journey. If you like the video, please share, subscribe. चलो मिलते हैं रोड पे. इधर का राजस्थान का है. मैं खुद राजस्थान का हूँ. मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट चलो बनता तीना तीना So just now breakfast over at Shiv Sagar Pure Veg. It's in Malpa only, and now we are heading towards Bangalore. So in between we'll take stop for that temple, Mahalakshmi temple. It's a famous temple. It will come in between Bangalore. So chalo, we'll see. So this is the Mahalakshmi temple, which is coming between Udupi to Mangalore. A beautiful temple. Have a look the site. So behind me is a cashew tree, a beautiful cashew tree, but only there is no fruiting at all. Flower has come, so it will take at least 1 or 2 months to fruiting. Then after cashew season, in Goa people used to drink feni and all, what you call kaju drink, alcohol, enjoying. But now weather is pleasant in Udupi and Mangalore. The temperature will be must be around some 32 to 33 in the month of March. But coming month April will be worst. You can't stay here. So it's better to stay in Bangalore.
A few moments later.
Now taking fuel break. Almost for 2000 rupees. 102 rupees. So just now filled petrol of rupees 2000. Now straight away 400 kilometer towards Bangalore. The problem is with the petrol, people are still crying that they are paying extra amount, something like that. At least हमको पेट्रोल तो मिल रहा है इन करंट गवर्नमेंट. बीजेपी है तो पेट्रोल मिलेगा, गैस भी मिलेगा, सब कुछ मिलेगा. इफ यू कंपेयर सिचुएशन लाइक पाकिस्तान, there is no gas, there is no petrol. People should not buy the petrol. Pakistan government is not stopping the petrol supply. Straight away they increase the 50 rupees. So which is better? This government is far better. So अभी मंगलोर क्रॉस हो गया और बीच में कोई कोला बोल के जगह था, वहाँ पे भी हो गया. एंड यू कैन सी ओवर साइड लाइक ब्यूटीफुल. रोड का काम चल रहा है. जैसे दे आर डूइंग वाइट टॉपिंग. रीजन ऑफ डूइंग वाइट टॉपिंग ऑन कोस्टल लाइन नथिंग बट जो बारिश होती है, आप दिखा सकते हो सामने रोड पे पूरा वाइट टॉपिंग का काम चल रहा है. ब्यूटीफुल रोड सीरियसली. और एक शायद 10-15 किलोमीटर बाद में हम लोग विल एंटर इन द घाट बिफोर हासन. रोड विल बी लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल. बट हाँ, जो घाट वाला रोड है दैट इज सिंगल रोड, बट फाइन. अगर बड़ा बड़ा लॉरी आता है तो you have to take care now. If you are doing overtaking, you have to do carefully. Otherwise, road is butter, absolutely butter. See, you can see the dumper also going and all. They should put cover on this. पूरा सैंड उड़ के आ रहा है, क्या करना है यार. इंडिया है, थोड़ा तो एडजस्ट करके चलना पड़ेगा ऑब्वियसली. बाकी तो क्या है, बाकी तो माया है. Almost 649 kilometer completed put together, and if you minus, how much will it be? Around 200 plus 249 something like that. So now we have take a stop at, what is the name, Sri Annapurna restaurant after Hassan. And now one more, I click around 180 kilometer we have to drive, 170 kilometer. So we'll reach by around 6 o'clock today, 6 p.m. So okay, let's go for lunch.
2 hours later.
So finally entering Bangalore, Tumkur Road. Now kilometer is almost 799.9. And full traffic jam. Full andre full. Can't help it. Even this gradient puppy also, it's fully frustrated. I think hope he'll... Dangerous stop, gradient. I think it will take another 1.5 hours to reach. Nothing but our destination is almost like 60 kilometers from away. But yeah, traffic jam. At least 1 kilometer, in Google it's showing 1 kilometer stretch. Fully jam is there. Anyway, once we reach home, we'll share more information. How was the trip? Okay, मिलते हैं आगे रास्ते में. After spending almost 1.5 hours from what you call Hassan Cross to Parleji factory, it has taken almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour, more than 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes. We started around there 5:30, 5:45. Now time is 6:22, and still we are on the bridge. And just now we crossed Parleji factory. I think it will take one more 1.5 hours to reach home. As you can see, full traffic. अब थोड़ा ट्रैफिक फ्री हो रहा है, स्लोली, बट क्या कर सकते हैं. और ये गवर्नमेंट का नया रूल पता नहीं क्या है, सभी गाड़ी के अंदर वाइट एलईडी लाइट दे देंगे. वो एलईडी लाइट पूरा आँख के अंदर मारेगा, ड्राइवर को दिखेगा नहीं. और ऊपर से नए नए ड्राइवर लोग जो क्या बोलते हैं, ड्राइविंग स्कूल से सीख के आ जाते हैं, within 10 days, 15 days, straight away they'll go and buy a new car and they'll have accident. We found 2-3 vehicles in between. Those cars were met with accident and maybe they have been injured seriously. So better be a perfect driver, then only come to the road. Otherwise, don't come to the road. नया सीख के आ जाता है गाड़ी, क्या ही कर सकते हैं. चलो, ऐसे लोगों को भगवान हो जाए. Give, if you want to change the line, give indicator, change the line. Honk, nothing. सीधा सा गाड़ी घुसा दे. So finally we have reached at home. 836 kilometer, 836.6 kilometer. So almost 850 kilometer we clocked. So this was our trip, completing for almost 836 kilometer, as I mentioned. So that's all for today. If you like the vlog, please share, subscribe. If you have comments, share the comments. And that's all for today. See you next time.